Hi everybody, it's Molly here from Create, Make and Play. I'm here today to share with you 3 different activities that you could do for World Book Day. Now the first one we're going to do is 3 Little Pigs and the Big Bad Wolf. So first of all I'm going to show you how to make the Origami House, which will end up being like so, stood up. But from the front, look at it like so. So what you need to do is have a piece of paper, just a piece of A4 paper, fold it in half, and then fold it in half again, and then fold it back out. And then you're going to fold each side into the centered crease. Like so, and then you're going to open up the ends, push your finger right to the very top, and then you're going to spread it out and push them down on the side. Same on the other side, pushing it down like so, and then I want you to fold each side back again. So fold it back on itself and then stand it up like so. Then what you can get your child to do is decorate the front with the bricks or the straw and the different types of house in the story. So just make 3 of those. Now what we're going to do is create our 3 little pigs. So what you have to do is paint a toilet roll pink, then you're going to need a piece of felt, cutting out the little outfit like so. So just making sure that you wrap the felt around the toilet roll to get the right measurement, and then cutting 2 pieces at the top to create your little dungarees, and then stick them in the middle. Then above your dungaree pieces you want to create the ears, so you're going to cut out 2 triangles like so, and then pull the ears forward slightly so that you can cut the bit in the middle, pushing it out the way, and then you're going to cut all the way around to the other side. So you've got your 2 little ears, and then you need a pink bit of felt, cut out a circle for the nose, stick that below the, not below, above the outfit, in the middle like so. And then you can draw on 2 little dots with a black deco pen, and then once you've done that you just need your googly eyes. I'm not going to come off the backs. These are sticky back ones from Baker Ross. So 1, and then 2, and then you just need to cut out the little bit in the middle to create legs, so a little bit like a door really. Like so, and there you have it, your little pig. Next we're going to make the wolf. So what you need to do, just like the pigs, is cut out your triangles for the ears. You can just paint this the night before, like I've mentioned before, just with black paint, or if not you can cut it with felt tips. Cut out the piece in the middle and then go all the way around until you meet the other ear. Once you've done that, you want to pinch it through the middle, about 1/3 of the way down, cut about 1/2 centimetre in, and then go at a diagonal angle so that you can just pop the mouth out. And then you want to create the teeth, so you just need a little piece of paper so that you can draw, just measure it against the mouth so you can draw the zigzag teethies. So you can just use a piece of paper here, cut it in between because you can use the top and bottom for the teeth. Bit of glue, then you want to stick 1 on the inside of the top part of the nose and mouth like so. And then on the bottom too. You can do this just by going inside this way. And then sticking the teeth in there so you've got the little mouth. So stick this bit back down. Then you need to stick the eyes on. These are just sticky back eyes that you can purchase from Baker Ross. And then finally, once you've done that, this bit doesn't want to stay stuck down. There we go. Then once you've done that, you can just use a white marker pen just to brush on a bit of fur in the ears and around the eyebrows. And there we have it, the your little wolf. So what we are going to make next is the accordion book, like so. So it's just like a little zigzag book really. What you need is a piece of paper, and then what you're going to do is fold the piece of paper in half, like so. And then just cut down the middle. Once you've done that, you need to cut the piece of paper in half again, and fold the paper back out, and then fold the sides into the middle crease, like so, and then fold it back through the middle so you've got like a W, and then do the same with the other piece. Fold into the middle, and then fold it back through the middle one itself. And then you just need to stick the two pieces together. I place some glue along one side and then get in the other piece of paper and just sticking those two pieces together. So then you have your zigzag book. And then once you have done that, you can draw your front cover. On your front cover you can use the stickers like this one to write who it's from. You can draw a picture, you can add embellishments and decorate it however you like, and then inside you can draw lines to write your little story. There we have it. Our next book, World Book Day activity are the story stones. Now these are really easy. You just need some deco pens that you can purchase from Baker Ross, and then draw the different parts of the story onto the stones. They pretty much dry straight away. So here, I don't know if you can notice, but I've done the hungry caterpillar. I'll show you how easy it is to draw onto the stones, just to give you a little example, but these are absolutely perfect for outdoor play, indoor play, for children, story sequencing, and just another type of resource for children to play with to bring that story to life. So we've got the hungry caterpillar who ate through one leaf, but he was still hungry, so he ate through an apple on Monday and 2 pears on Tuesday, and then on Wednesday he ate through 3 plums. Draw my plums. And then colour them in. And then we can finish. You can just keep going and add the different parts of the story. The Hungry Caterpillar is a really long story to retell. So this is a resource that I would use with the children. But you can do a much shorter story, like something like Dear Zoo, for instance, and that hasn't got many parts to the story. So yeah, these are absolutely perfect. You can purchase the stones and the pens both from Baker Ross. And there we have it. These are your free World Book Day crafts that you can make at home with your children. We have the 3 Little Pigs Origami House and the Toilet Roll Pigs and Wolf. We have the story stones, and then we have the zigzag accordion books, like so. Thank you for watching, and any questions that you might have, just message me, Molly, on Create, Make and Play on Instagram. Thank you, bye.